This week, one collection rewrote the leaderboard. The gold of Napoleonic Spain stormed the top of the auction world, crowned at €87,500. These are the top 10 coins of the week, June 29th to July 5th. Every week, we scan the results of every major auction house worldwide. This week, 30 auctions, from Winterthur to Warsaw, Madrid to Hong Kong, and 27,670 lots sold. Only 10 made the countdown. Number 10. A double thaler of Danzig, 1650, showing King John Casimir in full armor, struck just before the Swedish deluge engulfed Poland. At Nienczyk in Warsaw, 245,000 zlotys. Number 9. Spain rebuilding its money in gold. A presentation pattern of 50 pesetas from 1957, one of the key pieces of the era. At Solar y Lach in Barcelona, €58,000. Number 8. Syracuse at its artistic peak. A tetradrachm with Nike driving a racing chariot, its dies signed by the master engravers Youth and Eumenes. €60,000. Number 7. Joseph Bonaparte, the brother Napoleon placed on the Spanish throne. His 320 reals in gold, from Madrid, 1810, finest known. At Vico, €65,000. Number 6. The gold of Spain's golden age. An 8 escudos of Philip IV from the Segovia Mint. At Tauler and FAU, €67,500. Number 5. Syracuse again, half a century earlier, under the tyrant Hieron, whose racehorses won at the Olympic Games. A victory chariot crowned by Nike. €72,000. Number 4. A unique thaler of Stefan Batory, the Transylvanian prince who became one of Poland's greatest kings, struck at Alkes in 1582. The only example known. At Nienczyk, 330,000 zlotys. Number 3. Portugal, 1642. The Restoration government stamps crowned countermarks onto a golden 4 cruzados as the young kingdom fights for independence from Spain. At Vico, €77,500. Number 2. The intruder king again, in his finest gold. Joseph Napoleon's 320 reals of 1812, proof-like, the best graded anywhere. It exploded to €80,000, 8 times the estimate. And number 1. Guadalajara, Mexico, 1813. While Ferdinand VII sits imprisoned by Napoleon, a rebel-besieged emergency mint strikes his portrait in gold. 8 escudos, big bust, the finest example known. From the Segarra collection at Jesus Vico in Madrid, €87,500. The coin of the week. A week when Napoleonic Spain took the crown. Which coin would you take home? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe for next week's countdown.